Hey guys, today we'll be going over how we ran electric to our barn and saved over $8,000 in the process. This is an electrical transformer. We had to pay the electric company $7,500, which is basically $10 a foot for 750 feet, to get electricity ran to our property. They called this an aid to construction, and it's pretty standard. And they said they'll reimburse us after 3 years of service with them. Now, having electricity on the property was only the beginning. We had to then clear 450 feet of heavily wooded land in order to get an excavator from our barn to the meter pedestal. Having cleared a way for the excavator, I needed to decide on the type of cable to run. Picking the wrong size of cable would be detrimental. I first put together a spreadsheet of our power usage, both summer and winter, so that I could find my peak amp usage. I identified that our peak amp draw would be right around 50 amps. And after plugging in the cable lengths and the peak amp draw into a few of the voltage calculators that are easily available online, I found my ideal cable size was an aluminum 250 kc mil with 2 hots and then 3 aught for the neutral and ground. That's my 13-year-old son, Noah. He put about 20 hours into the mini excavator and ran over 400 feet of ditch for me. Now let's talk a little bit about why picking the wrong cable could be trouble. Too small a gauge of cable and you may experience a brownout, where lights would go dim and major appliance motors could run slow and potentially burn out. Now, if the cable gauge is too large, you'll end up overspending by thousands of dollars. I can tell you that we spent $3,500 on the electric cable alone. And when looking at the next size up in aluminum, the same length was $6,000 for the same run. If you liked the video, make sure and subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.